the economic outcomes of democracy. When we compare the growth rate of all democracies and dictatorships between 1950 and 2000, we see that democratic countries have underperformed as compared to dictatorial ones. However, when it comes to less developed countries, the difference between dictatorships and democracies is negligible. Along with good governance, we also expect democracies to create economic growth and development. While democracy does not guarantee economic development, we can expect democratic countries to speed up their economic development measures. Did you know India is the 12th largest economy in the world by market exchange rates? By 2008, India had established itself as the world's second fastest growing major economy. More than development, we expect democracies to reduce poverty and economic inequality. Now, we know that democracies are based on political equality. All individuals have equal power and hold equal weightage in electing representatives. Unfortunately, along with political equality, we find growing economic inequalities. For example, if you look at our own country, 1/3 of the global poor live in India despite the high economic growth rate. Did you know Tanzania is the 3rd biggest gold producer in Africa, with decent economic growth? Yet, the country remains one of the poorest in the world. With the poor in majority, shouldn't democracy be a rule of the poor? The poor constitute a larger proportion of the voters, and every party focuses on them while campaigning. Yet, the democratically elected members do not address the problems of the poor, contrary to what one expects them to do. The situation is bad in several so-called democratic countries. More than half of the population in Bangladesh lives in poverty. People in several countries depend upon the rich countries even for their food supplies.